In this video, let's see another numerical problem which is based on inverse trigonometric functions. We have already been seeing some concepts and some problem, and this video is the succession to the previous videos. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with the solution. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square, wherein the condition is given to me mod x is less than 1 by under root 3. Now, these proof questions, as I already told you earlier, are basically nothing but the formulas only which I have put in the form of illustrations so that you solve them one by your own hand. Let's write the proof because we are going to prove this and not solve this question. We have left hand side as tan inverse A plus tan inverse B or tan inverse X plus tan inverse Y. That means we have a formula, and what is the formula? Let's write it down. Tan inverse X plus tan inverse Y is equal to tan inverse X plus Y upon 1 minus XY. And when we know the formula, we just have to put the values. So what is x? X is basically the first term, which is x only. What is y? Y is 2x upon 1 minus x square. Let's put the values. Tan inverse x plus what is y? Y is 2x upon 1 minus x square. Denominator would be what? Denominator would be 1 minus multiplication, 1 minus x into 2x upon 1 minus x square. 1 minus 2x into x is 2x square, so it is 2x square upon 1 minus x square. What are we supposed to do now? We are supposed to cancel if something cancels, and if not, take the LCM and solve. So let me take the LCM. It is tan inverse cross multiplication x into 1 minus x square is x minus x cube. So it is x minus x cube. What about the next term? It is 2x only with plus sign. So it becomes plus 2x upon 1 minus x square. So I write 1 minus x square. And then I have a whole upon. What is the thing in the denominator? By cross multiplying, 1 minus x square into 1 is 1 minus x square. Again I have minus 2x square and the denominator remains the same, 1 minus x square. These all things we already know how to take the LCM. It is simple mathematics. Cancelling 1 minus x square with 1 minus x square, I have something tan inverse 2x plus x is 3x. So it is tan inverse 3x minus x cube in the numerator. What in the denominator? The denominator has 1 minus 3x square. So it is 1 minus 3x square. Now let's see the question again. My question was tan inverse of two terms added together, which we solved, and in the result we needed to find out tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square comes or not. Yes, it is the RHS. So I started with my left hand side of the question. That means I started with the LHS part, and what I got is the right hand side, that is tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. This was a formula. Let's write it in a box because it is a formula. And let me write formula word also, so that if you refer it later, you understand that yes, it is not something that has come out of magic, rather it is a formula, right? Putting the values, cancellation and simple mathematics is what has been done.